Alrighty, I got a brand new Cobra 29 LX. This is a 2016 radio. It's a beautiful radio. It's been tweaked to peak, receiver aligned. It's got a receiver modification done to it. It's got not only the Schottky diodes in it for better sensitivity and lower noise, but it's got a high power, or I should say higher gain, hard to find Sanyo transistor in the receive amp spot. A lot of work has been done to this baby. Let's go ahead and check it out on the bird meter. So 10 watt slug. So we'll be looking at this bottom scale here. That's 10 watts right there. We got 6 watts right there. 7 watts right there. Coming in right at 7 watts. Let's go ahead and take this slug out. Put it in, let's see here, 50 watt. Alright, so we got a 50 watt slug. So we're gonna be reading this middle scale here. There's 50 watts there. We got 30 watts right here. 35 watts right here.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Check, check, check.
So you can see it swinging up to 35 watts. The talkback on this radio's been modified to be extra loud.
Radio check 1, 2. Radio check 1, 2.
It's got a Connex echo board right here in the Delta tune spot.
Break 19 for a radio check. Kicking on back, driver.
And you can adjust it however you like.
Hello? Check. 1, 2. I'm gone.
Or you can turn it off. Another cool feature about this radio, you can check your local weather. Pressing this button right here.
4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Sunday through Sunday evening, heavy rain and thunderstorms early Sunday morning through early Sunday evening could lead to flash flooding and the first mud and debris flows of the season near the Chimney fire burn area. A flash flood watch means that while...
Well, by golly, looks like we got a flash flood warning. Well, there you have it, folks. This is very good, clean, strong running radio. Thanks for watching.